Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I actually still think this is a 1, 2, 3 right here. And if this really is in a wave 3 right now, then this has a long ways to go to the upside to complete this wave 3, probably at least to the 24, maybe even $2,500 range. Now, we do have interest rate coming out for the US dollar today, which is definitely going to affect all the US dollar pairs. And we are definitely going to have to reevaluate these US dollar pairs prior to the news. And I will be live streaming at the news today. So make sure you stop in so we can reevaluate all these dollar pairs to see if we can figure out what the news is likely to do. So going down to the weekly time frame, like I said, I actually think this is a wave one right here. I think this is like an ABC of two. I think we're already in a wave three, and this is just a subdivision of that wave three, and eventually it's just going to keep on making higher highs, higher lows. Most likely this is like a one of three, a two of three, and a wave three of wave three. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I actually do still think this is going to go down again. I mean, to me, it really looks like three ways down, three ways up. I think this is some sort of a 1, 2, 3 pattern to the downside, like a WXY. And then I think it's going to go down, take out these lows, and then from there, most likely continue the uptrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, it kind of looks like we already got a ABC correction. I mean, I got my Fibonacci retracement here. I see impulsive up. I see three waves down. I see impulsive up to the 78 and the 61.8% fib. Nice big impulsive move to the downside yesterday. I actually think today's news is very likely to actually cause this to continue the downtrend, probably to complete that wave Y pattern I was showing on the higher time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, big impulsive down with a break of structure. I actually think this move up could be a correction, and it may not be over yet. It may kind of stretch out, and between now and the news coming out, before it actually does end the ABC correction and continue the downtrend. But a lot can happen within the next 8, 9 hours between now and the news coming out. So we're definitely gonna have to reevaluate all these dollar pairs to see if we can get a good outlook on what is very likely to happen at the news. So I will be live streaming for the news today, so make sure you stop in and check out my YouTube live stream that I will be doing for the U.S. interest rate news coming out at 7 p.m. UK time, 2 p.m. New York time. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.